It was a warm Sunday in Boston for sure. We saw some glimpses of sun. Today's weather, though, nothing like what we saw on January 29th of last year. Here's our Wayback Machine. Take a look at this. Dealing with a blizzard. Boston got more than 23 inches of snow on January 29th, 2022. It went down as one of the biggest snowstorms in Boston's recorded history.
We remember it because we were here working,
and
we have this video of it. We wanted to revisit one of our favorite moments from that day's coverage when our Peter Eliopoulos came across some people out walking in the middle of the storm.
Where are you guys trying to go right now?
We're trying to find an open Dunkin' Donuts.
Can't find them. No. Yeah, it's tough. It's
That's when you know we're in a crisis, right? You can't find an open
Can't
dunks.
find the dunks. You see, they had those. Everyone needed those ski goggles. You couldn't see ahead of you. It was crazy.
Yeah.